So in this video we'll be looking at how you can live stream to different platforms. So I'll be showing you how you can do it on YouTube. So for this you can download this free software called OBS Studio. Go to this OBS project.com and download for the different platforms. So after you have installed that, you can launch this and you can see this interface. So what you have to do first is you have to add a scene to this. So you can add this new scene here, and how you have to add the sources. So there are different sources here. So let's add a window capture or a display capture. So this is for capturing your display. So let's hit this. So this will show you the display window which you are capturing. So now it has captured your monitor. You can hit this button to capture the cursor also, then hit OK. So now you have added this your window and it will capture your window wherever you are going. You can also add a window capture to capture a specific window also. So if I need to add a website or something, if you add my website, if you need to capture this, you can add a window capture. You can select which window to capture. So you can select this. Now this has captured now. So you can select here which window to capture in this drop down. So I have captured this window and you can just hit OK. Now this window will be captured. So you can resize this to wherever you like. So for the time being, let's just delete this. So this is capturing my window now. Now you can resize this. If you need to add your camera, you can go to this video capture device and add a video capture device. So this is my camera. Actually you can see my hand here. So you can see me, you can see my face. So you can add this. You can position it anywhere you require, like this. So let's now look at this. So this is how you can set your camera. You can go and change the camera settings, etc. Now what you have to do is you have to check this also, your audio. So I have a mic connected. You can select your audio advanced settings here, or you can add your device here. You have to set that. There is also a feature to auto configure. So it will automatically configure all the correct settings for you, but you have to keep in mind that some of the settings may not be correct. So after this, what you have to do is you have to go to this settings. You have to go to the stream, and here you can see the different platforms: YouTube, Twitch, Facebook Live, Twitter. So I'll be doing to YouTube as of now. So YouTube, you need this stream key. So for doing that, you can go back to this. YouTube your channel, and then you can go to this go live. So it will ask you the new stream settings. So you can dismiss this, and you can add my stream. So I'm making it as of now private. You should do it. You should make it public after giving the correct settings in the OBS studio. So let's do this. For you have to like give all the settings. You can also keep an thumbnail, etc. You can also schedule for later. So now I have created the stream, so you can see this. Now what we need is this stream key. So you need to copy this stream key and then go to your OBS studio, go to the settings once again, and then stream. Then you have to copy and paste this stream key here and hit apply. Okay. Now if you need, you can also add some text or something on top of this. This is like Adib stream. You can change the opacity. You can check the different settings here. Also, I think there is one option for different fonts, different font size also. So let's click OK. I don't know where did that. So it is very small actually. I think some settings got wrong. You can add again. So you need to add this text. Let me add a deep again. You can change the opacity. Hit OK. So this text has come. So you can place it somewhere, something you require the website or something. So now you have made this much settings. Now this is the thing which is going to stream. So let's hit this start streaming here. Now what you can see is YouTube will be connecting to that software and streaming here. So now you can see this. YouTube has started streaming this. So once you make sure that everything is like going fine, you can see that my desktop is streaming with that different camera, my text. So you can go to edit again, then you can make this public and then save. So then you will be starting your live stream. So this is how you do your live stream on YouTube. So hope you found this tutorial useful. So until next time, bye.